to be here unless it's necessary. But my understanding is that you all have reached a deal. Is that correct? Okay. All right. I'm sorry, my throat. Hold on.
Okay.
We're on the record.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Jams is on.
Thank you. Calling case U593-04521. People of City of Detroit versus Ethan Rowan. Count 1, observing offender urinating in public, misdemeanor. Can I please have appearances for the record?
Sure. James Champion on behalf of the defendant, Ethan Rowan, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Rowan, please state your first and last name for the record.
Ethan Rowan.
Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor. I've spoken with Prosecutor Tamika Horn, and in exchange for a plea of no contest to disturbing the peace, she is offered no jail, delayed sentence, 3 months.
Okay. Mr. Rowan, is this your understanding of the plea recommendation that's being offered to you today?
Yes.
All right. Can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you'll give to the court today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Okay, you may lower your right hand at this time. Mr. Rowan, you have a right to have this case heard in person today. Are you agreeing to waive that right and have this case heard by Zoom?
Yes.
Okay. And counsel, did you review with your client his advice of rights today?
Not today, but I thought he had gone over the last time we met in November, but.
Okay. And Mr. Rowan, so does your client understand his rights?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Rowan, do you understand that if I accept your plea today that you will not have a trial?
Yes.
You understand that you'll be giving up your right to have witnesses called in your defense at trial?
Yes.
Do you also understand that you'll be giving up your right to cross-examine any prosecution witnesses at trial?
Yes.
Do you also understand that you'll be giving up your right to testify or to remain silent without any inference being drawn from your silence?
Yes.
And do you understand that you're giving up your presumption of innocence and the requirement that your guilt be proven beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything to tender a plea of guilty?
No.
All right. At this time, the court would like to direct your attention to the date of June 11, 2021 at approximately 9:10 p.m. Were you in the area of St. Antoine and Monroe Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you engaged in disorderly conduct by urinating in public on that date, time, and location?
Yes. This is a no contest plea, Your Honor.
Oh, it's a no contest plea? I'm sorry, I didn't realize it was a no contest. Does it say no contest on? It doesn't say no contest. You all agreed on a no contest plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, Your Honor.
She didn't write it in the recommendation. Okay, the court will allow it. All right. The court, counsel, what was the reason for the no contest plea?
Lack of memory, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. The court is satisfied and will accept your client's plea of guilty as charged. Thank you. Under your plea of guilty as charged, no contest plea under 3-month recommended delayed sentence pursuant to the recommendation with the stipulation of probable cause. Okay. Counsel, before I sentence your impose this delayed sentence today, could you please address the court on behalf of your client?
Sure. I'm sorry.
Before I impose any probationary term, I impose terms that are under a delayed sentence. And if he complies with, did you all review a delayed sentence? You understand?
Yeah. I didn't understand that last part that you said to me. Would I?
Oh, could you address this court on behalf of your client so that I have a better understanding of who he is before I impose any probationary terms for him to comply with? Sure,
Your Honor. Mr. Rowan has been employed for almost 30 years in Grand Rapids. He's an outstanding citizen with a wonderful family. He, this is certainly a one-off offense. He doesn't have any criminal history. He's somebody that I feel the court would be taking a well-reasoned risk and giving him the delayed sentence and allowing him to demonstrate that he's not the person in that ticket.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Rowan, is there anything else that you would like to add before?
I would just like to apologize. Like Jim said, it's not who I am. It's just an incident that happened.
Okay. All right. Mr. Rowan, the court is just going to impose a minimum fine, $5, mandatory court costs in the amount of $190, leave you with a balance of $195. This is a 3-month delay sentence, so you shall not violate any laws of this state. As long as you do that, at the end of this 3-month term, you will, your case will be dismissed accordingly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Counselor, are you familiar with how your client can make payment to this court?
I'm not.
Okay. Mr. Rowan, do you have something to write with?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you a phone number that you can call. It's our new phone pay system, and you can call this number 24 hours a day. I apologize, my throat. And you can make payment over the phone, okay?
Okay.
The phone number is 1-855
Okay.
798
Okay.
1547. Madam Clerk, can you please send me my dates? I don't have them.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right. Did you capture that, Mr. Rowan?
I did. I got the number. Yes.
Okay. Just make sure you make that payment. You have the full 3-month term to make the payment. And as long as your record's still good and you know new charges, your case will be dismissed, okay?
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Counsel, any questions?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. I apologize for my.
No.
This
I hope
morning.
you're feeling better and you have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.